Hey everybody, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day or night. So I just wanted to come on and say something really quickly. So when you're on a spiritual journey and you're not wanting to do some of the things that you used to do, like maybe smoke or drink or curse, um, or wear clothes that aren't modest, whatever that looks like. Basically, you're changing, and people around you don't like change. They may tell you you think you're better than them, or who do you think, or ask you who do you think you are, because they don't want you, people don't want you to change. They want you to stay the same because they don't want to be challenged to change. But some of us have been called to break those generational curses within our family dynamic, right? And if you answer the calling, because some people they get the calling and they just let the phone ring. But if you actually answer the call, you're now doing something different. And it freaks people out. And, they will say some not so nice things to you to discourage you, to try to get you to fall back and do what you've normally do, right? Gossip and, things of that nature that are unrighteous, right? And you may distance yourself or you may go no contact, right? It's not easy, but once you start down that path, it gets easier, right? It's not so sad or depressing, because you get used to it after a while. But again, if you have a calling, you're going to lose people because, again, unless they decide to attach to that calling with you, they don't want to be bothered with you. They want you to go back to being the same way that you were again, or they'll call you or they'll text you and they'll remind you of who you used to be and the things that you used to do and the things that you used to say, as if to say that you're being fake or phony. All kinds of things they'll say to you. And it doesn't matter, right? You have to own your calling and do it anyway. Even if people don't like it, even if they call you names, even if they make accusations that aren't true, even if they don't like it. Again, it may be uncomfortable and not so easy to deal with at first, but after a while you get used to it. And it's a great journey to be on, right? And for me, it's all about helping people. Like you see that I'm here on YouTube. I'm not so concerned about how I look. I'll go out like this in public, right? I don't need validation. I don't need people to say, "Oh, you're pretty," or "you're." I don't need that. That's not why I do it. Um, Now I will admit that I've done some clickbait type of things and put certain things out there just so that it gets other people's attention, so that they pay attention to the other stuff. Not because I need the validation though, but I need to help people. And so whatever I need to do to get their attention, I have done. Not any and everything, but I have posted pictures of myself just to get the attention of the people who maybe need to see or read some of the messages that I previously posted or watch some of the videos that I've previously posted. Right? So just if you're on a journey and you're in hermit mode or in isolation and you're working on building your character, being a better person, just continue on the journey. I even cut my hair, and that's exciting too. Just new energy, fresh new energy, and sending out love, right? Because again, it's not about me, It's about helping other people to be the best version of themselves and to live their best life. And to know that it's okay to smile. It's okay for you to love yourself. You don't have to be jealous and envious of anyone, because you have everything that you need is inside of you, and whatever anyone else has, you can have too. Now you do have to be willing to put the work in. That's the difference. You have to be willing to put the work in. And I'm not going to sit here and say that it's easy work. Sometimes you may cry. Sometimes you may want to yell. Write it down, work it out that way. I do have tools to help you. I have life coaching tools. I have gemstones. I do Reiki. I do tarot. And I'm also a yogi now. So I have a variety of tools to help with a variety of needs. And again, it's not about me. It's not my ego is not in this at all. It's really about me being the healer that I was called to be. And so if ever you feel like you're ready to start this journey so that you can have inner peace and joy, I would love to be able to help you with that. Just let me know. Love y'all. Later.